The Hartville Migrant Council has actually been around for quite a while, working with migrant families that come to the area. Each year we have about 350 migrants that come to Ohio, and they come from areas such as Texas, Mexico, Georgia, South Carolina, Florida, and a few other places as well. Out of those 350 migrants, approximately 90 to 100 of them are children. In our program, we have between 40 and 50 children. The other children are either teenagers or they attend a Head Start program that is funded by the Texas Migrant Council. But the Hartville Migrant Council serves just as a ministry to these families who they come up with their families and everything they can fit into a truck, everything they can fit into a van, all of their possessions they bring with them. And so, of course, you don't have a lot of things that you bring because your family is taking up part of that space in your vehicle. You're limited as far as what you can bring, and so the Hartville Migrant Ministry provides them with linens and pillows and that sort of thing. They also provide clinic care for them, all sorts of medical care. Over 10,000 hours were donated last year to the ministry, and those were people who were doctors, people who were secretaries, teachers, just volunteers. It was donated as a service to these families. The grant that we received from the Start Community Foundation was so much appreciated. I am just thrilled beyond belief. What they'll be doing actually today, what they worked on, they had painted little pots, and they are planting flowers, and they are going to be delivering those around the neighborhood. In a couple of weeks, we'll be visiting the Hartville Meadows as well as the Altar Care of Hartville. Hartville Meadows is a facility for adults with mental and physical handicaps, and they have their own little workshop there where they make different crafts. So we're going to visit there, give them a little bit of a work break, see what it is they're doing in the workshop, and also give them some cookies. And so this is a great opportunity for the kids to see other people who maybe have a disability but are able to just really give of themselves. It's just a joy to take care of these kids each day, knowing that if we were not here for them each day, they would be home by themselves while their parents work in the fields.